Okay, guys, I'm going to read out loud some questions. Your job is to follow along. Choose your correct answer, write it on your piece of paper, and also explain to me why you chose your answer. Number 1, a sudden change in temperature can affect current weather conditions in a specific area. Changes in average weather conditions over 30 years or more result in the areas: A, precipitation, B, climate, C, air mass, or D, forecast. Number 2, a group of students observe and records the weather information about their area's current weather conditions, while another group researches the climate of the region in which they live. Which questions can be answered from the contributions of both groups' investigations? F, what conclusion can be made when comparing the climate of two different regions? G, what tools and methods should be used to conduct this investigation? H, what was the difference between climate and weather? J, how valid is the information collected on weather and climate? Number 3, which statement is related to climate? A, the temperature has never dropped below 0 degrees Celsius in April. B, the barometric pressure is high today. C, the sky is dark and cloudy. Or D, there is a severe thunderstorm warning for the Dallas area. Number 4, a student examines the temperature and precipitation on a given day using a Celsius thermometer and a rain gauge. The student is measuring F, temperature only, G, climate only, H, wind speed only, or J, weather conditions. Number 5, the process of the water cycle causes water to evaporate from Earth's lakes, condenses, and then falls back to the Earth as precipitation. Because of this process, water from Lake Ontario and Lake Erie may one day fall back to Earth as rain in Pennsylvania and New York. Rain falling to Earth after a clear sunny morning is an example of A, the wind speed, B, a climate pattern, C, a change in weather, or D, a warming trend. We are going to do the questions 3 and 4 on the next page. 3, meteorologists are scientists who study weather conditions and climate patterns so they can prepare people for upcoming changes in the weather. The meteorologist's ability to forecast changes in the weather is the same as A, stating a fact, B, conducting an investigation, C, making predictions, or D, explaining safety precautions. And number 4, a student makes the following observation: the temperature at my house is always hotter in the summer. What can you conclude from this statement? F, the weather is always the same during the summer. G, a hot climate during the summer is experienced where the student lives. H, it does not rain during the summer. Or J, all of the above.